Hello. You would have received an invitation from the HR portal. Once the invitation is accepted, please log in into the portal. Upon login, you'll be asked to verify your certain basic data. After the data is verified, under the tab My Finances, you'll be able to see all payroll related different tabs. The first tab, Summary, here it shows the summary of salary, loans if any. Under tab My Pay, there are three different tabs: My Salary, Payslips, and Income Tax. The first tab, My Salary, refers to the fixed gross. Please note the amount put here is net of gratuity. On clicking this, you will be able to see the breakup of the salary under different heads like Basic, HRA, Telephone, Professional. Next tab is Payslip. Your payslip will be updated once the payroll is processed for that month. The third tab, Income Tax. This is the income tax computation for full year. It shows the deductions and the exemptions allowed and the tax calculation. Under the tab Manage Taxes, the first tab is with regards to declaration. Under this tab, you will be able to make your declarations. ATC declarations can be made here under 1.5 lakh exemptions. You can edit any of these declarations, like for example, ATC PPF, update an amount, save. ATC principal home loan repayment, you can edit an amount here, mutual fund NSC. Other than ATC, you'll be able to give your declarations here. ATD Mediclaim can be given here. The tab Tax Saving Allowances refer to professional allowance, telephone allowance, and leave travel allowance. You'll be able to give declaration to the extent you'll be able to produce receipts for the same. Under the tab House Property, you'll be able to give data with respect to HRA and interest on housing property. Please note you'll be able to claim both of them only if the property is situated in different cities. To add data with respect to rent paid, you have to click here. Do you own the property you're residing now? No. I live in a rented property. Add rent, and all the rent related details can be given here. And any other houses owned, like self-occupied property, etc. All the details can be given here. Under the tab Income from Other Sources, you can add any income that you wish to declare. Once this is added, you'll be able to see the income tax computation here, which shows your tax liability for full year and the breakup. Please note that there's difference between April, May and May tax, as this will get prorated once the April month salary is processed. So this is your final tax liability, which will be deducted for 12 months. Pro rata. Under the tab Preferences, you have basic data with respect to your PAN information, PF information, salary deposit, loans if any outstanding. Request you to please submit your declarations by 3 p.m. on 27th April.